mis amigos, and welcome back to my canal. So today I'm gonna be doing Pennywise with the twist, headless, for a Halloween costume that we're gonna be going to a party today. So hopefully you all like. I am gonna kind of go over this video kind of quick, just because today, I'm sorry, we are in a rush to actually get this done, but hopefully everything in detail is in there, and hopefully you all like it, right, Puppy?
Yes.
So, do you have anything to say?
Hope you enjoy.
Thanks. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go outside with hairspray and hair color. We're gonna go see what we can figure out with his hair, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the final look right here. One of the things is I did try to cut it and do a headless person, but we weren't able to do it because this shirt was so it's big on him, but when you actually put stuff to hold it up, it's too small. So we weren't able to do the headless it. Hopefully next time I'll just have to get like a sweater or something that's thicker and bigger, longer, I guess, so that we were able to stuff it. But yeah, this is the final look, and hopefully you all like it. We did do some gloves, Dollar Tree. We didn't find white ones, so we just went ahead and did these, and we're just gonna kind of add more blood to it. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we'll do is we're gonna draw just blood. I'm just getting the same little sponge that I've grabbed already and just doing that. But I went ahead and put the blood on there. What I'm going to go ahead and do is also, we did the balloon. Let me show you. So that's the balloon. It says, "You'll float too." I'm not sure if you're able to read it from that side, but that's what it says. I think I'm going to add a little bit of blood on that as well, just so that way it looks even more scarier. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go ahead and show you his whole outfit. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that as well. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and, of course, there's his makeup. That's his this is a little tutu thing that I found at Hobby Lobby for like $6.99, plus they had 40% off, or 30% off, actually. This is just a white long t-shirt at Hobby Lobby as well. And I think they were both 30% off. These little round red buttons I grabbed at the Dollar Tree. It was one of those steering wheel hand things that you can put on your steering wheel. I don't know, this little steering wheel cover. The only thing, they were red, and so I just put cotton balls in to make it look like buttons. This right here is literally white pants that we got at Gabe's. We didn't find anything that would work with him, so they're lady pants, but it's fine. This down here is tutus that we just went ahead and cut it so we can put it over his feet so he can look like a clown. Ta-da! Okay, guys, so that is the finale. Hopefully you all liked it. Hopefully it's something fun, simple. I think it's very, very, very simple. I wanted a little bit more extra. It just did not work for us this time, but maybe next time we'll just have the better equipment to do it. So hopefully you all liked it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Y'all be good. Y'all take care. Mwah. Besos.
Bye.
Adios.